你好. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is wood ear mushroom with cucumber and eggs. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 1 ounce dry wood ear mushroom, rehydrated. Previously, I did a show on how to rehydrate wood ear mushroom. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. 4 eggs. We're going to marinate the eggs with half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. You can use dry sherry as the substitute. And mix well. 8 ounces seedless cucumber, thinly sliced. If you use seeded cucumber, you need remove the seeds first. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil for cooking eggs. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. 2 tablespoons garlic infused oil for cooking mushroom. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY garlic infused oil. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. Half teaspoon salt for the entire dish. We finished the preparation. Now we're ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We're going to cook the eggs for 1 minute until the eggs are tenderly done. It's been a minute. The eggs are tenderly done. Now we're going to remove the eggs. I've just removed the eggs and used paper towel to wipe clean the bottom of the wok. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons garlic infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We're going to cook the mushroom for 5 minutes until the mushroom is slightly soft. It's been 5 minutes. The mushroom is slightly soft. You heard this popping sound. No need to be alarmed. It's just the liquid as well as the air pocket. That's why you need really pat it dry very well of the mushroom before you do the cooking. Now we are going to add cucumber, half teaspoon of salt, to cook for 4 minutes until the cucumber is semi-wilted. It's been 4 minutes. The cucumber is semi-wilted. Now we're going to add the cooked eggs back in to cook for 1 minute until everything is mixed well, breaking up the eggs into smaller pieces. It's been a minute. Everything has been mixed well. It is done. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.